Imagine if you could create any video game you wanted. What type of game would it be?
A target game.
A platform game.
No, a racing game.
A coin collecting game.
A creative game.
Well, this is your big chance because Creative Ireland and Whizz Kids want you to come coding for Cruinniú.
Welcome to the Whizz Kids Digital Skills Virtual Classroom.
Let's call up PJ for a lesson on how to make a coin collector game.
Use hashtag coding for Cruinniú and tell us what kind of games you'd like to make. Then go to this link to take part in our virtual classes, starting on the 8th of June.
It's going to be such fun, so join us as we go coding for Cruinniú!